Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, today, I don't know if we're gonna call it a how-to, but I'm gonna just basically just show you what we do on the daily, up here in Buckhead, what we go through, how we try to handle situations, how we correct situations for the client, and make sure we get everything together for them so that they're happy again. So, got a client, Porsche Panamera, did the garage door up, had a scratch right in here somewhere. Somebody went and fixed it. That's a nice way to say it. Somebody went right and fixed it. And when they fixed it, they left an overspray here. They tried to get it off there. They left it all on here. They tried again to get it off over here, left it. They tried there. And then, I don't know what they did right here. So this is gonna be the fun part when we get ready to take this off, just to see, what's up under it. So y'all get to go along with me as I start trying to fix this and see exactly what happens. So hey, follow along, stay tuned, let's see what we can do. Look at it right here. We don't have, you see the color difference, so I don't know what kind of paint that is, or what that is, if that's spray paint or what that is. But we're gonna wet sand it down and see what we come up with. See, I don't know if we're gonna be able to fix all that, but you see we got sag right there. You got color difference right here. And it's just, man, just saving a few dollars, but it's all good. We're gonna take care of it. So follow along with me as we do it. Let's go. All right, so we're back. Basically, what we did was we went on and cleaned off the top part of the Porsche emblem, the lights and all that, got all the overspray off of that, got all that polished and cleaned up. So now, we're gonna work on this repair. But we kind of don't know exactly what's gonna happen, because this is what you don't do when you're doing a repair. So whoever did it, they sprayed it. But if you see right here, they just sprayed paint on top of clear. So I don't know how far the repair comes in. I'm gonna take a guess and say that the repair comes about right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand all this down to about right here on this side, and then I'm gonna do the same on this side. And we're just gonna try to clean it up. So who's gonna show up, we're gonna feel that the repair is right here where whoever fixed it's got most of the paint runs and all that, the trash and the damage, and we're just gonna feather it out on both sides to clean it up. And then we're just gonna leave this part, we're gonna gloss it out, and then we're just gonna see exactly what happened. So I'm gonna work, and then I'll come back in a couple seconds, kind of explain to you where we are so far and what we're doing, and then we'll go from there. Cool. All right, so what we did, so y'all can kind of keep up what's going on, because we're trying to figure out how far to come in with this so-called repair. So basically what I did was I kind of gauged it, kind of basically looking at seeing exactly where the repair was versus what's going on. So I brought it all the way from that side all the way into here. And on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm bringing from here all the way to here. When I get right here, I'm gonna take this tape. Now you can see the line. So basically I see what they were doing, and they basically took that line and they kind of tried to feather it all out. So when they feathered it out, that way it wouldn't have a line like this, which makes it more obvious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sand this down lightly, and then we're gonna basically fade it in and see exactly what comes up next. Cool. Steven Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, so we got into it, man, and we just weren't happy with the way that it looked. It was just horrible. So whoever did, they just took some spray can, rattle can, sprayed it, and just left it. So what we did was we just basically just took everything off, sanded down. Now, this is the crazy part. This is the damage right here, right here, right here, right here. You could have easily touched these spots up, wet sand them down and polished them out, and been done with the whole situation. But I guess you wanted to be a body man, so you got a DA out and you flattened all this out around it, and then still left the scratches and the scars. So we're gonna repair that, and then we're gonna spray some color on it. We're gonna put the emblem back on it, and then we're gonna send it on down the road. Hey, always be cautious of who you let do what they do, man. That's all I can tell you. But stay tuned, see how it turns out. Let's go. Prep, everything ready to go. We'll spray a little filler on these, let it sit overnight, come back tomorrow, sand it, and spray it. So just dust a little primer on it. Whenever you're doing this, always remember, don't leave a line, because you always see it. So it's pretty much all you want to do. You just want to fill that in, you kind of feather it where it looks feathered on both ends. So when you're ready to sand it, you don't have that line here, line there. So pretty much that's what it is. So tomorrow, we're gonna let it sit overnight. Time to go home anyway, get something to eat. Come back tomorrow, spray a little color on it, clear it, put the emblems on it, send it home. Cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, good morning. So back on the project this morning, just got it primed in last night. Went and picked up some color this morning. So we already got a little dusted in. So basically, small repairs, we don't really have to go pull out paint gun and all that. We can just go get a can of paint that matches the vehicle color. And then we'll basically just go in, dust it over. And then that way, it'll all blend in. Get a few more, and then we'll be ready to go. So hey, we'll keep you posted. Let you see how it looks once we get done, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I appreciate y'all following along for this, and it's gonna be a good one. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, finally got the Porsche done. Got it sanded, got it primed, got it painted, got it cleared. Just put the emblem on. So we done. Check us out, Showcase Reconditioning. 678-334-3889. Follow us on Instagram at Showcase Recon, and like, follow, and subscribe on YouTube. Appreciate it. Come along for the next one. Let's see what we can do. Appreciate it. A minute. Peace.